Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to share with you some recipes that are going to help you take care of the skin on your hands. Because of the current situation, we really have to wash our hands and use hand sanitizers very often. But many of these manipulations make the skin on our hands very dry. Therefore, I decided to share with you some recipes of handmade hand sanitizers. As well as I'm going to show you a massage for your hands and tell you how it affects your whole body. The basis for our hand sanitizer is going to be alcohol. You can use salicylic alcohol or a tincture of calendula or propolis. The concentration of alcohol should not be higher than 70%. If it is higher, then you should just add some water to it. The next step is going to be adding some treating products, such as oils, extracts, and glycerol. It will hydrate your skin and will protect it from dehydration. Aloe Vera softens your skin and reduces inflammation. And oils give some nutrients to the skin of your hands, but you should make sure that you shake your hand sanitizer before applying it to your skin. For the first recipe, you are going to need 70 milliliters of alcohol, 20 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide, 3% concentration, and 10 milliliters of glycerol. Mix all of these ingredients together and pour them in a bottle. You can also add some of your favorite perfume to it. Do you have a perfume with you? Yes. Will that work? Yeah, perfect. And put it in your handbag so you always have it with you. Here you go, and you can use it now. The next hand sanitizer is going to contain aloe vera. Put 70 milligrams of aloe vera and a glass of alcohol into a blender. Break them down together. Pour it in a bottle through a filter and add 5 milliliters of glycerol and 5 milliliters of liquid vitamin E. Then pour it into a bottle that is more comfortable to use and put it in your purse. And this one I'm gonna leave for myself. The next type of hand sanitizer we are going to make for our kids, and it's gonna be in a form of wet wipes. For that, you are going to need a kitchen roll. Just cut it in pieces and place them into a container. For the sanitizer, we are going to need 50 milliliters of alcohol, 25 milliliters of chlorhexidine, and 5 milliliters of glycerol. Adding 5 milliliters of coconut oil and a couple of drops of your favorite smelly oil. We took orange. Then soak your wipes in your hand sanitizer. And you can place them on your table or grab them with you if you are going for a walk. Because apart from sanitizing your hands, they're also great for cleansing anything off the hands. And now my personal life hack. As a cosmetologist, I have to wash my hands with soap very often, and my hands get very dry. So I use a hand cream instead. I spread it all over my hands, wash it off, and then apply my favorite hand sanitizer. And in the morning and evening, I use foot cream for my hands. It recovers your skin and gives it a lot of nutrients. You can combine applying your cream with a massage. Nowadays, we spend a lot of time at our computers and phones, and it also results on our hands. The same motions that we repeat again and again while tapping on our keyboard or on our phone, with the time, can bring some consequences. Hand massage is going to help you loosen your muscles and keep your hands healthy. This massage improves blood flow and therefore lets the fresh blood full of oxygen access the areas of low mobility. It also helps to reduce pain in joints and ligaments. It helps your joints to recover and increases the mobility of your hands. Even if you are having troubles falling asleep, a short hand massage is going to help you relax and fall asleep quickly and easily. If you're massaging your hands, you're influencing your body as a whole, because each finger is responsible for a special organ of your body, such as your heart, lungs, liver, digestive system, as well as improving blood and lymph circulation in general. Our hands have a lot of reflex points on them, and working with them can result in releasing tension and stress, and improvement of your mood and well-being. For this hand massage, you are going to need a massage ball. Start off by pressing it hard with your hand. After that, roll it between your hands. And do a massage of your fingers, working through each single area of each finger, paying extra attention to your joints. After you work through each finger, you can do a movement similar to the one that you do while taking off your gloves. Then massage through the points between your fingers, staying in each point for 2 to 3 seconds, paying some extra attention to the point between your thumb and pointing finger, because there's generally more pressure on this area. Working on your fingernails also has a great effect and can influence your brain activity. And secondly, we press from the sides of the nail, pressing on the finger for 2 to 3 seconds. After that, moving to the ligaments. To soften them, bend your hand and in deep sliding motions, work through the front side of your wrist. Then, in deep pressing motions, work from your wrist all the way up to your elbow. It improves blood circulation. And at the end, I want to share with you a great hand mask recipe. It's a hand mask made out of semolina. You are going to need just 1 tablespoon and add some boiling water to it, just enough to get it to a thick consistency. And add 1 tablespoon of heavy cream to it. Apply this mask on your hands. Then put on gloves or just plastic bag and something warm on top. Leave this hand mask on for 10 minutes. This mask is also great for your face and the area around your eyes. It's great at softening and rejuvenating your skin.
Потому что дети у меня все детство, оказывается, этим занимались. Омолаживались.
Омолаживались, да. Сварил кашку, добавил маслица.
Да. И мне на лицо.
Да. Только без сахара.
Себе и маме, и папе.
In one of my previous videos, I also shared with you that you can use semolina as a face scrub. It's a great product because it's a very gentle cleanser and scrub at the same time. It is very easy to use it. Just get your hands a little bit wet and dip them into the grain, then apply it to your face in circular motions. It gets very soft and doesn't scratch your skin. To keep your hands looking young and pretty, stick to the following rules. Wash your hands only with warm water, because both cold and hot water are stressful for our skin. Only use natural soaps. Do you mean like just soap bar or something? No, you can also use modern soaps that include some extracts and oils. You know, just be picky about it. That's it. Instead of a soap, you can use hand cream like I do. Also, make sure that you apply a hand cream in the morning and in the evening. While doing your housework, when your hands are in contact with water and other cleansing chemicals, make sure that you're always wearing gloves. It will protect your hands and keep them beautiful and young. If you found this video useful, make sure that you subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget clicking the bell to make sure you see our newest video first.